All right, what's on the bench? This is an emergency repair. ImsaiDog's electronic collar. It's one of those collars that glows. You put it around his neck when you walk him at night so he doesn't get lost. Or if he does get lost, you know where he went. If he chases after a squirrel, you know what direction he went. So it's got a bunch of little LEDs on a wire, and one of these wires, it was intermittent. So if you don't know how these things work, they're, let's see here. We'll show it all on camera. It's a tube. It's a tube like this, so you can cut it to length for your dog, and it's rechargeable, and you can have it flash, or you can have it solid, or whatever. Anyway, some LEDs along a wire, but one of the wires was definitely loose. I could wiggle it in and out, and it was intermittent. So, looks like an easy repair. These things are so cheap, I'd probably just buy another one, but it's ImsaiDog, and he wants me to fix it. He likes it when I do crafty things in the garage. All right. Let's take a look here. Oops. Don't want to lose those little guys. Never get back together. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, it looks like it's got a super cap. It doesn't even have a battery. It's got a super cap. That's nice. What is that? Or maybe that is a weird battery. It looks like a capacitor, but it's 3.7 volts at 2.9 watt hours. I don't know, battery or super cap? You tell me. Wow, I've never seen such a thing. Looks just like a cap. And yep, there's where it used to solder on. Right there, it just pulled off like batteries. Oh, there, see it work? There you go. There they go. It works. All right, so let's heat up the iron. BS 18109. Huh. Got quite a few things in there. That's pretty complicated for a dog collar. Wow. I don't know. Looks like an easy repair though. I don't know how to turn it off. Let's see here. I guess I could solder it when it's powered up its battery. Should be okay. Should be okay. It's probably crappy lead-free solder. It's probably why. All right. Let's see if I could get it together here. Hold it all with one hand. Trying to hold it all together. There we go. I think that's all she wrote. All right. So, woo. So we can try it out here. Push the button off, flash, flash slow, on all the time, and off. Okay. Okay. So this goes in like a so. And the little charger sticks out. The wires go in there, like that. Goes on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Just put the little screws in here. Whoa. All right, and let me back this up. wires go in the tube. In the tube. In the tube. And the other end goes around. Oh, there's some wires stuck in there. There we go. All right. Perfect. Perfect. I can give it back to ImsaiDog. Good boy, ImsaiDog. Good boy. Yep, he's got it all fixed now. Yep.